video. Sa mga pangyaw po natin dyan, I hope na like it ang ating video for today. And join with me, and I hope you like this my video for today. And by the way guys, there's someone requested this my video because I speak Tagalog. So now I try to speak English. Sorry if I'm not perfect, but I try my best. Okay, please join with me. It's holiday, as you can see, there's a lot of tourists right now in Macau, and people are so busy to spend the holiday. So because it's my holiday, as you can see, I will show you guys some of the places in Macau. And during the time in Taipa, in a flower city. So this is my vlog mas day 20. I'm not sure, but I think so. So guys, please join with me in my going around somewhere in Taipa, in Flower City. Yes, now we are here in Flower City, Taipa, Old Taipa. It's Sunday. As you can see, there's a lot of tourists today. Here, where are you going? It's holiday. Enjoy the day. Yeah. Happy yarn. Opa. Flower City, Taipa. We have an event. Wow, it's a purple. Kaya na baka tusukin ka niyan. Sasakay sila dun eh. Dali, dali. Next tayo, bilis.
Next tayo.
Oo. Wait muna, may tao pa. Wait muna, may tao. Mia, Mia. Mia.
Tapos ako kay 200. Pagdating. Ito, brownie ka. Ayun.
Oo. So because it's holiday, so we need to enjoy the day. So me and my family going to IKEA and eating some food because the food here in IKEA is so delicious. And also it's not expensive. With grandchild and my daughter and my son-in-law enjoy and satisfied for the food here in IKEA. Wait, si mama. Ano na kami dito?
Gabi.
53? Kaya. Bia. Halika na. Ano yan? Bread yan, Mia. Bread. Chocolate. Halika na. Benter Saga. Yan yun. Saga. Yes.
Matcha.
Ito, mama.
Chocolate yan.
Kahit ito.
Magkano? 19 lang?
19 to din.
Mm. 19 na yan, oh.
Mama, ito din.
16.
Naman.
nga lang.
Ang dami ba yung... Ano to? Lola Bebe, ano
Ha?
to? Lola Bebe, ano to?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Wag yan.
Ito ang gusto niya. Ito ang gusto niya. Ayan yung sausage, so.
Ayun yung ano, cinnamon.
43.
Mama.
Cinnamon.
Hindi pwedeng madami.
Mix lang.
Ito, yan. Tapos dalawa lang.
Pwede naman yan i-mix, di ba?
Sure. Sure.
Oh, Bia, wag. Ay, naman.
Sure. Sure. Sure.
100 grams, 13.
Sure.
No, 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 Bia, Bia, Bia.
Hindi ma-short to eh. Egg to.
Ito yung sabi niya. Shark. Okay na.
Ano pa?
Fried egg yan eh.
Maasim eh. Ayun, sour quality.
Ito.
Ayun oh, Baggy Bear. Ano tayo? Uy. Puro may mga yellow tag. Ano yan eh, di ba? Humidifier.
Ayun, parang nailaw. Hindi, ano? Sticker na talagang may
Ay, oo, ayun.
sticker nga, nasa ilaw.
Three, 30, 85. Ha? Ito nga, 1.5 lang, oh. 105, Mia. 105. Hindi ito.
Kala ko miss ko.
Supa, 650. Happy? No, 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 no. Ganyan, no? Oh. Ang cute.
Ilaw. Lampshade.
Magkano? 126 lang. Di battery. Bed. Ay, ito oh. Ang ano lang oh.
Cute, no? Laki pa.
Ayun.
Pang.
Nobia, naku, wag yan. Mia, ito ang bagay doon sa may ano nyo, living area. Mia, living area. 210. Ganda nga eh. Kaya nga, sa ano, parang akala mo ano lang. Living area. Bia, no. Ay, sorry. Bia, come here. Mas okay to.
Parehas lang.
Bia. Don't touch, ha? Don't touch. Don't touch.
Me.
12. To mama. Bear, bear, bear. Malaki yan. Ba't tingnan mo nga muna pag size. Ayan. Ayan. Ayun sa'yo, akin. Akin na yung akin. Ito sa'yo. Ano yung sa'yo? Parang napadami yata. Sabi ko na nga, nandito kayo eh.
Halika dito, Lola Pepe. Dito tayo.
Dito tayo.
Mama, halika dito. Bak, maiwan ka ng bahay.
Papunta na tayo sa playground o dito ba? Tara na sa playground.
Saan ba tayo? Playground. Oh, Mia, Mia. Mia, kunan mo ako dito sa tree.